Well, hello there, and welcome to Forest Biometric Research Institute's webinar series. My name is Brock Purvis. Today, we're going to be looking at how to compile stands from different measurement years, grow all the stands to a common year, and then expand volumes into uncruised stands. The database I'm going to use for this is the Puget 2014 base. This is a database everyone should have as it came when you downloaded FP7 software. So to get this process started, I'm going to go ahead and open the Puget 2014 base. And when prompted, select Start. If we go to our admin table, we'll see that we have 351 stands here, none of which have been compiled. So initially, I'm just going to flag everything with a 1 by going to Add-ins, Selection, Select All Stands. With everything flagged, I'm just going to do a compile. Add-ins, compile, run cruise compiler. When prompted, select Start. We'll see there's 351 admin records, 68 cruise stands. That tells us that some of the stands have been cruised and some of them haven't been. These are all the different stands identified in the admin table, cycling through and getting compiled. This process usually takes a few minutes. With the stands compiled, we can reopen admin, and we now have a report year and measurement year for every stand with cruise data. The cruise data, of course, would be located in the cruise and plots table, as we've discussed in previous webinars. So all stands that have been cruised are now compiled. Our next step is to grow just the compiled stands, those are the stands with cruise data, to a common year. To do that, we need to select only the cruise stands. I'm going to go to Add-ins, Selection, Select No Stands. This removes the flag from all 351 stands. To get just the compiled stands, go to Selection, Add Cruise Stands, and it says all 63 compiled and cruise stands have been added. We can verify this by just looking at Report Year Measurement Year. That means there's no cruise data, and so it did not compile, flag of 0. Report Year and Measurement Year, flag of 1. It's been flagged. So we now need to go into Grow Stands, grow to 2016, and grow all tables. When prompted, select Start, and there's 63 admin records being grown to year 2016. Again, this process will take a couple of minutes. Once the FPS routine is complete, go ahead and open up the admin table. And we'll now see that the report year for all of the cruise stands say 2016. What this has just done is taken the inventory conducted on a stand-by-stand basis in the measurement year and grown it forward to year 2016. At this point, for all of our cruise stands, we could look at an updated FPS reports to look at volume, trees per acre, and all of the standard reports that come with FPS for the cruise stands. But what we want to do is to expand from the cruise stands into the uncruised stand. What this process relies on is the veg label. If we do a simple sort on veg label of A to Z, we'll see that we have AF11 cruise stand, CX23 cruise stand, CX31 cruise stand, and all of these other AF11s have not been inventoried. The FPS routine will take the volume estimates for each of these vegetation label types and expand them from the cruise stands into the uncruised stands for an estimate of volume. So before we expand on veg label, we're going to do a quick strata create new habitat report classification. When prompted, select Start. Once this process is complete, you're ready to expand on veg label. To do that, go into Strata, run cruise expansion on veg label. Select Expand all tables from cruise stands within each veg label type. With that radio dialog box clicked, select Start, and it will begin running the routine to expand volumes into the different veg labels. Here it's looking at uncruised stands and cruise stands and doing the whiz-bang that is FPS to get a volume estimate. Again, this process will likely take a couple minutes, so good time for a coffee break. All right, with a fresh cup of coffee, go ahead and open up your admin table. You'll see that all of the stands, regardless of the measurement year, now have a report year of 2016. This indicates that the veg label expansion was successful, and there are volume estimates for every stand in the database. To view some of the updated reports, simply navigate down to Reports, select one that you like the best. In this case, I'm going to select TR stand list _ flag, and our Peugeot database, all of the stands, acres, and some associated volume analysis information. Out of our 3,507 acres, we're averaging 30,962 feet to the acre and 108,579,000 feet. So, we have successfully compiled cruises from various measurement years, grown them to a common year, and then expanded on veg label for an estimate of the total inventory. Please remember to check our website at forestbiometrics.org, as we will be adding more webinars in the upcoming months. Thank you for your time and have a great day.